it's Val from Vini Vidi Val, and happy 4th to everyone. I can't believe it's here already. I'm sure everyone else is kind of scratching their heads and saying, where did the time go? I just want to take a few minutes to share with you my favorite go-to easy recipe if you're going somewhere and you need to bring a little dessert. This is like the easiest thing. 3 ingredients plus whatever fruit you may want to use. It's a lemon pie. It's a creamy lemon pie. 3 ingredients. Your graham cracker crust. As Google pronounces it, mascarpone cheese from Trader Joe's, the whole container, and then lemon curd. And also from Trader Joe's, I've used a few lemon curds, different brands. This, to me, is just the best. It's smooth. It doesn't have the lemon rind in it. It's just
Let me just get a
easy
little
to
close
work
up
with.
of that.
I like to put it in plain yogurt too. It just is just yummy. I love this stuff.
English.
Yes, and Greta is here filming. She's the technical video lady.
Okay.
All right, so I've already put the cheese in. You want to let it become room temperature just for easy mixing. And now I'm just putting the whole container of the lemon curd into the bowl. And I'm channeling my inner Julia. Trying to be a little more neat than she is, or was. Okay. All right, there's enough for someone to lick the bowl later. The container.
Looks good.
Yeah. I mean, it's just super simple, and it's very easy to mix.
So the room temperature of the cheese
Yes.
and the lemon curd.
Yes. And you just give it a really good mix. You can also put this in parfait glasses, like crumble up the graham cracker, put a little on the bottom. Do the lemon cheese and your berries, if you want to use berries. And this is, I just think graham cracker crusts are the best crusts. I just love them.
And they're ready made.
I know, that's the easiest. If you would like to make your own, of course, go ahead. And it's nice, this is no bake, so on a warm day, it's just the perfect thing to make.
Yes, no heating up the kitchen.
Exactly.
And is this served chilled as well?
Yes, and then I recommend chilling it, you know, if you want to do overnight or a couple of hours beforehand, it will just set it nicely. And just spread it about.
It looks
Nothing
very creamy.
difficult here. Just get more of that. Greta gets to lick everything when we're finished.
Sweet. I do the cleanup.
Yeah, you're great at that. Okay, we'll leave that for Greta. And then I'm just gonna put some of the berries. I just have blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries. FYI, blackberries are 99 cents at Jewel.
Oh, there you
Good
go.
little bargain. And I'm trying not to touch the berries since Greta's taking this home for her family.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. And voila, there you have it. Your easy recipe to take to someone's home or just make for your own family. It's just a really easy thing to do.
Fabulous.
Yeah, and Greta, I have a big question for you. My mom is watching. She will ignore everything except my hair.
Oh.
How does my hair look?
Oh, I think you look fabulous.
okay?
It looks adorable,
Is it mom
Val.
approved?
Yes.
Hi,
Mom,
Mom.
give it the thumbs up, Mom.
All right.
And-
Thank you, everyone. Have a safe 4th. What are you doing, Greta?
And, well, just lighting off. Nope, not lighting off. And the sparklers only. And we are closed on Sunday
Oh, yes, we are. And Monday.
and Monday.
Closed. Great. Well, have a safe 4th. Thank you, everyone. We'll see you after the holiday. Bye-bye.